Hey, this is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. How you doing today? You know, a while back, a couple of years ago, I took my axe out and I was chopping on a aspen tree, Quaker, aspen, whatever you want to call it up here in Wyoming. Anyway, I got some little harebrained nincompoops that was talking about how I was chopping on this, you know, living tree, you know, a live tree, you know, whatnot. Well, let me show you something. We just had 2 feet of snow not long ago. It was wet. Let me show you what nature thinks of trees sometimes. Watch this. Same patch of trees that I was chopping with my axe on the tree. Let's go, and I'll show you what nature thinks of that patch of trees. This is with the snow and a little bit of wind after they were heavy and wet snow. That's nothing. Those trees won't make it. All of these trees went down. Just busted them off and broke them over. Uprooted them. You suppose there's something out there I can chop on? This was one of my most favorite places, believe it or not. I love this Quaker thicket. Does it look like a war zone? Oop. Did you see that? There's going to be another one come right out of there, I think. I didn't even see her down in there. She was just hiding in those down. Unbelievable, isn't it? Right in the creek. Do you know what? Down here in this bottom, those roots will stay, keep sucking up moisture. And those trees will stay alive for a long time. What a mess. Yeah, bring the chainsaw over here one of these days and start cutting. Drag it out. Make firewood out of it. Just bend them over, pull them out of the ground. Yeah, we go on down through here. And there it is. That's the one I chopped in two. This is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com, off on another little adventure. You know what, just having fun. Memorial Day weekend, had a lot of people up here in the mountains, a lot of family. The annual poker run, Laramie Peak Volunteer Fire Department annual fundraiser poker run. They also have a buffalo raffle where you can go to the ranch not too far from here. There's 13,000 acres and get yourself a buffalo. It's about $900, $1,200 maybe. No, it isn't either. It's more like $6,000, I think, for some of the bigger buffalo. Anyway, they do a buffalo raffle tickets through the fire department. You can go on Facebook and look up Laramie Peak Volunteer Fire Department buffalo hunt, annual buffalo hunt. I think they draw in September, and then you kill the buffalo in October. You can look up the 2016 Laramie Peak Volunteer Fire Department buffalo hunt. I filmed that. Chance Buell put it on Facebook for me, and put it on my YouTube channel, so that's there. And of course, we'll probably film it too if you win. Anyway, just showing you a little bit here about some of the natural destructive nature. There's a lot of trees in here that actually just broke off. You know, there was just about 2 feet of snow, wet, heavy snow. Kind of unbelievable how it can just snap them trees off like that. And they're strewn all over in here. Anyway, now there's a lot of good firewood down here. Come down here and cut them, drag them out, buck them up into 16-inch rounds, throw them on the splitter. A lot of this stuff my aunt and uncle can put right in their stove and burn it the way it is. Just bust it up into probably 14-inch pieces, about 1 foot to 14 inches is what they like in their stove. They've had the same pot-belly stove in their house, their only source of heat, for almost 60 years. That's one of them that I chopped in two. This really good wood right here. Anyway, just thought I'd show you the exact same area. Look, I just snapped them trees off. Bent them over, snapped them off. My God, what a mess back there. So as far as the small-minded nincompoops that complain about me cutting on a tree, and now they'll say, yeah, well, you took one of the trees that would have been okay. Look what it did to the others. You know? This is Brad, sharpensbest.com. You take care. Have a good day.